Chris Chinnock here for Display Central at NAB 2014. I am in the Ericsson booth where we're looking at a live transmission of 4K 60-frame content. It's technically not actually a live broadcast. This was actually a game that transpired last summer, but was broadcast live at IBC. I guess that was September technically. And so they recorded this content, and now they're actually playing it back as recorded content, but it's going through an entire distribution system to be delivered here basically live from a playback device in London at this point. And they actually got an award, a Technology Innovation Award from NAB for proving out this whole distribution system for delivering 4K 60 content. So the content is actually coming out of a playback device. It was recorded again at 4K 60 at 422, and so it was playing back at a data rate. Sorry. So yeah, it comes out of the playback device at 12 gigabits per second and goes in over 4 3G SDI connectors. It then goes to the Ericsson encoding device, which will create a 100 megabit stream that gets through a vision mixer, and then that's actually technically it's not 60p, it's 59.94, 10-bit 422, and then it comes out at 100 megabits per second into an MPEG-2 encapsulation stream. It goes to BT Telecom by fiber optic, and then from there it goes up over fiber optic actually to New York, and then and it has a cross connect then to Intelsat network in New York, which then delivers it by fiber to Riverside, California. At Riverside, that's where the satellite uplink occurs, and then a company will encode and modulate the content in Riverside for the satellite uplink. It comes then to that satellite, and then back down here to Las Vegas. They have a dish somewhere out in the parking lot here, where it gets then demuxed, demodulated, and brought inside here to the back of the booth, where it is then demodulated, decompressed by the Ericsson decoder. From that 100 megabits back to a 12 gigabit per second signal, which is uncompressed now. And then it gets converted from the 4 3G SDI cables to HDMI, 4 HDMIs, which then goes to the JVC 4K monitor, which can take the 60p content here. Wow, that was a long description. Newtek is the satellite provider. So that's the story for what they got the award for. I also just learned that FIFA has approved the production of 3 matches for the World Cup, which will take place in Brazil this summer. They've approved 3 matches to be shot in 4K, and they will be using this contribution delivery system for that with the Sony F55 cameras and all the same partners. Although they will experiment with how to play that back out to different devices. So, congratulations, Ericsson. Chris Chinnock for Display Central.